the battery. The battery removal process is not very difficult, but you need to use the pull tab first to see if it is going to work. If the pull tab is not working, you can still use alcohol to help you remove the battery. So let's do the pull tab first. For the pull tab, you need to undo the pull tab here. After you've done this, just like this, you need to pull this plastic and the battery is going to pop out. So let's do it. Start pulling. On the first try, the battery got out very easily. Sometimes it doesn't get out easy, but this was very good. So after this, I can simply remove the battery this way, the battery with the double-sided tape on the back. So here's the battery with the pull tab all in place. So with this one, I can simply reuse the battery just like this without adding any glue or any double-sided tape on the frame of the new screen. So this is out. For the rest of the components here, I'm not going to remove these or the front-facing camera since I have them on the new screen.